Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the defrost thermostat on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new defrost thermostat for your GE refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. We will be replacing the defrost thermostat in the fresh food section. Note that the steps to remove the freezer defrost thermostat are the same once you have access to the thermostat. Note that this thermostat does not come with the connectors, so you'll need to purchase some separately in order to complete this repair. We'll leave a link in the description below to the connectors we used. If you need to test your defrost thermostat in your refrigerator, you can check out our other video that shows you how. The defrost thermostat limits the maximum temperature for the defrost cycle. If the thermostat fails, the refrigerator's automatic defrost cycle will not run, frost will accumulate on the evaporator coil, and the refrigerator will not cool properly. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull the drawers forward, lift up, and pull out to remove. Remove the crisper frame by lifting up and sliding forward. Be careful as the glass panel will come out with the assembly. Remove the deli drawer by pulling forward, tilting up, and sliding out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the front deli cover in place. Then, lift the cover up, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the rear cover by lifting it up and out. With the sides fully closed, remove the 2 screws holding them in place using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, remove the slides. Remove the screws holding the side supports in place using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Then, slide them forward to remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the fan connector cover away from the evaporator cover. Then, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 5 screws. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Remove the cover. To remove the defrost thermostat from the refrigerant tube, gently press on the retaining clip. Using a wire cutters, cut the wires, being sure to leave enough wire to splice the new thermostat in place. Then, strip back roughly a 1/4 inch of insulation from the wires using the 16 gauge hole on your wire cutters. If you need to purchase a new defrost thermostat, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. The new thermostat comes with a significant amount of extra wire that can be cut back before installation. Cut the tail away, leaving about 2 inches of wire. Then, remove roughly a 1/4 inch of insulation from the thermostat wires. To place the new thermostat into place, insert the pink thermostat wire into one end of the connector and insert the pink pre-existing wire into the other. Then, using a channel lock crimping pliers, crimp the connector on both sides to ensure a solid connection. Repeat those steps on the orange wires. Using a heat gun, heat the connectors for around 20 seconds to create a waterproof seal. Exercise caution when doing so, as the excessive heat can cause damage to the refrigerator lining. Allow the new connection to cool down before use. Then, install the new thermostat onto the refrigerant tube by pressing until it snaps into place. Insert the cover at an angle, being sure it seats behind the lip on the bottom of the housing. Then, rotate the top into place beneath the air tower. Reconnect the electrical connector and reinstall the screws. Align the fan connector cover to the refrigerator housing and press until it snaps back into place. To install, align the side supports to the refrigerator housing and slide into place. Be sure to feed the wire through the opening on the left side. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, align the notches on the slides to the tabs on the side supports and press into place. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, set the rear cover in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the front cover, align it to the frame, and set back into place. Reinstall the 2 screws. Then, with the slides extended, set the deli drawer in place, being sure the notches on the drawer align to the tabs on the slide. Next, align the crisper frame to the tabs on the refrigerator housing and set into place. Finally, reinstall the drawers by aligning and pushing back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.